I've got three symptoms, and I don't know if they're all related.
Okay.
But several weeks ago, I started feeling shards of glass in my fingertips.
All right.
And it's all fingertips. And since then, I went and had blood work done, and then I found out I was deficient in vitamin D.
You betcha.
And I had liver enzymes that were elevated and slightly elevated glucose.
Ooh.
Since my blood work, I now have puny fingers all the time.
Okay, I'm not sure
and
what
then
that
the
means.
third symptom.
Yeah, what does that mean? Does it mean like they look like little raisins?
Yes,
Okay.
only the tips of them. And then the third symptom that has developed is just pain in the joints. Like I can't squeeze my hands. I have trouble gripping things. And then like my shoulders, my knees, my hips, everything is hurting.
Okay, Lindsay, how old are you?
38.
Okay, and so this just all of a sudden hit you. Have you
Yeah.
had any weight gain over the past year or so?
Yes.
How much?
Significant, probably 50 pounds.
Oh, you betcha. Okay, I want you to write this down, okay? Okay, I want them to check you for something called Hashimoto. That's spelled Hashimoto, Hashimoto, thyroiditis. That's inflammation of the thyroid. And what can happen with this, okay, is you'll see the elevations in the blood sugar. You'll see elevations in the liver function enzymes. But really more importantly, okay, that this has been going on probably for several years, is that you'll end up with not just a vitamin D deficiency, but a B12 deficiency. Okay,
Yeah,
which is why you're having those odd sensations in the fingers. Now, you're also going to have numbness and tingling in your toes, which is something called tarsal tunnel syndrome. And it wouldn't surprise me one bit if you told me that you had bitemporal headaches. So, what I would suggest that you do is be sure that they check you for autoimmune thyroid disease. And the reason I say this is that you can have autoimmune disorders that go along with it that resemble things like rheumatoid. Okay, so, would it surprise me if you had an elevated rheumatoid factor? Wouldn't surprise me one bit, but really what this sounds like is Hashimoto's. So that's.
Is there a cure for it?
No, but there's a really good control for it. I have this, okay? So, yeah, and what you do is you take some thyroid replacement every day. The weight comes off and all that other junk goes away. But you got to get the right blood work first. So don't let them head fake you on this one. They said, oh, well, we got your TSH. No, you actually have to check something called TPA and ATG. These are antibodies to the thyroid and thyroid converting enzymes. So the fact that you might or might not have a normal TSH bothers me and influences me not. But the weight gain and the other symptoms scream of Hashimoto's. So, Does that make sense, baby? And yeah, there are some ways that you can deal with it, but just don't let them jerk you around or take a lot of time because you really do need to fix this.